Three animals that can explode like a bomb. Number 1, the elephant. When a dead elephant is left in the sun, trapped gases from decomposition can make the carcass burst, sending tissue and fluids flying. Number 2, the whale. After death, gases from decomposition build up inside its body. If not released, the pressure can cause the whale to explode suddenly and violently. Number 3, the Bombardier beetle. It mixes chemicals inside its body that react and boil instantly, shooting out in rapid explosive bursts to burn and scare predators.